With the rose garden. Just a rose as well.
Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh yes, of course.
Where's my hairband?
Which one?
The one you ripped off my hair.
Wait, where did it go?
It's a purple, not pink. Alright, they look pink on the camera now. Oh, this is a big one. Yeah. Oh, in the shop. And we've got tiny ones here. Be my baby.
Hey guys, just arrived at the rose garden. Look at the roses outside. They're really so beautiful. I'm so impressed. Like blue flowers, my mama loves it.
Still drive me crazy. My strawberry kisses. I could fly through the wind.
So right now in the San Jose Rose Garden, this is the #1 thing to do according to
I mean,
tour advisor.
It's actually quite beautiful.
It is so beautiful. You know what I really want to see in life?
What?
Black roses.
Ooh, yeah.
And put it with a black swan. Hi guys, let me show you my favorite roses. I like white ones.
It's more color variety now in the top.
And I like light pink roses. Oh, those are pink. Pink and yellow roses. Oh my god, this is my 2 favorite colors in one beautiful rose. It's kind of like going to be spring, so like not all the flowers have bloomed yet. Yeah. I feel I've been teleported to like Scandinavia. Give me a bed.
Let's go in there. Like where the lights come out, the sparkle of the lights.
Sparkle of the light.
It's kind of on your face, kind of thing.
It's on my face. I'm a sparkle. Am I a rose?
You know, can you see like I'm dark, while you're like kind of like glowing.
Kind of like a rose and you're
You're
kind of like a
glowing,
fawn.
yeah, fine, I'm a ton. But you see like you're kind of like glowing and then I'm like
You gotta
in
own
the
being a
shadow.
ton. Time for dinner at a Thai food place. Like if you're the governor of a country and you can make like a beautiful rose garden like this.
There's space to do this.
Yeah. Much more sophisticated and beautiful and charming and elegant and like rich and elite, you know, and poised. I'm just a thesaurus right now. Bye. Santa Cruz.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you.
Right now we're on Ocean Street and we can feel that we're getting closer and closer to Santa Cruz. And we love the names of the roads like Sunnyside and Hugu. Hugas.
Ocean Street.
Hugus. Hug us.
Hug us, hug us.
Hug us. Wow, look at the houses though.
Oh, damn.
Is this an apartment or like a house?
It's not that great, honestly. I think it's about the same level as our house.
Yeah, but it looks so American, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you do. 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 Send me. Darling, you send me.
So pretty, oh my god. Oh my god, San Fran is so beautiful. Freezing, like actually freezing. Very cozy. Oh my god.
Okay, you're probably going to change our long pants. Oh, we just
Oh my god, crying. Right now we are going to the Sawadee bar and restaurant. The weather is so beautiful and so cold. I'm actually freezing and dying. It looks so fancy, I love it. It's a bar and grill. I chose a good restaurant, right, Zach? Did I choose a good restaurant? Guys, look how beautiful the view is. Oh my god. Okay, right now I'm gonna choose. Everything looks so good and authentic Thai, and I think it's around $8, $9, $10 USD, and it's so worth it for the meal.
Chicken prawns or just chicken and prawns, right?
Yeah, you can do a prawns, or you can just do prawns, or you can do both.
I think I'm gonna do both.
Yes, yes, yes.
So let's do prawns Thai.
And we're gonna get our last dish, which is. Thank you. Yep, perfect. I'm so excited. What?
Chicken.
5 hours later.
Our first dish is the tom kha, which is white.
Like the white.
It looks so good. Look at all the ingredients. We got the pork.
And it looks angry in the
It smells so good. It smells so good. I love it. It smells so authentic. You can see it being sticking up like that. This is in a clay pot size for Cherie. We also got the pad thai, which is also highly recommended with prawns and chicken. And so this is our green curry with coconut milk. And we're gonna try it right now. Also got my Mexican beer called Modelo. And you got your Thai beer called Chang. Chang. Josh Chan.
Please don't use Chang, only Americans do that.
Okay, we're gonna eat our food now.